Hello and welcome to Exciting Earnings. Achieving 4,000 watch hours on YouTube within a month is a challenge many creators face, especially those aiming for monetization. However, with a strategic plan, focused efforts, and consistent execution, it is entirely possible. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the most effective methods, tools, and insights to help you reach this milestone faster than ever. 1. Focus on long-form, value-packed content. Why longer videos matter? Creating long-form content is a proven strategy for increasing watch time. Videos over 10 minutes long tend to perform better because they allow for more detailed discussions and keep viewers engaged for longer periods. Longer content also gives creators more opportunities to add value, use storytelling techniques, and increase session durations. For example, instead of a 5-minute video about 5 productivity tips, consider expanding it into a 20-minute detailed guide, where each tip is explained in depth with real-life examples. This approach not only increases the video length, but also appeals to viewers looking for detailed solutions. Create evergreen content. Evergreen videos such as tutorials, how-tos, or educational content continue to generate views and watch time long after being published. Think of topics with lasting relevance. A video titled, "How to Start a Successful Blog in 2025" is more likely to attract consistent views than one focused on a current trend that might fade quickly. Optimize pacing and structure. Even long videos must maintain viewer engagement. Start with a strong hook to captivate your audience in the first 30 seconds. Use clear transitions, chapters, and visual aids to keep viewers interested throughout. A well-structured video with an engaging flow ensures people stay longer and boosts your watch time. Maximize series potential. Consider creating a video series on a particular topic. For instance, if you run a fitness channel, develop a 30-day fitness challenge playlist with daily workout videos. This encourages binge watching, significantly increasing your overall watch hours. 2. Utilize the power of live streams. Why live streams work for watch time. Live streams are an excellent way to accumulate watch hours quickly. The beauty of live streams lies in their ability to generate massive watch time in real time. For instance, if 100 viewers watch your 1-hour live stream, you gain 100 watch hours instantly. Plan engaging live sessions. To make your live streams successful, structure them with a clear agenda. Consider hosting Q&A sessions, live tutorials, product launches, or even casual day-in-the-life streams. Keep the audience engaged by answering their questions and inviting their input during the session. Promote your streams. Announce your live streams in advance using YouTube's community tab or social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Include reminders for your audience to join the stream on time. Teasers, countdowns, and behind-the-scenes posts can generate excitement and attract more viewers. Repurpose live stream content. After the stream ends, don't let the content go to waste. Edit your live sessions into smaller segments and upload them as separate videos. This allows you to extend the watch time potential of a single event while reaching a broader audience. 3. Optimize your videos for YouTube SEO. Craft attention-grabbing titles. Your video's title is the first thing viewers notice. A catchy, keyword-rich title increases the chances of your video being discovered. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VDIQ to find trending keywords in your niche. For instance, a video titled, "How to Lose Weight in 30 Days, Proven Tips," is more likely to rank higher than a generic weight loss tips title. Write a detailed descriptions, provide context to your videos, and improve their searchability. Include relevant keywords naturally, summarize the video's content, and add links to related resources or playlists. Avoid keyword stuffing, as this could negatively impact your ranking. Leverage tags and hashtags. Tags and hashtags make your content discoverable across YouTube and search engines. Use a mix of broad and niche-specific tags. For example, a tech review video might include tags like tech review, latest gadgets, and smartphone 2025 thumbnails that convert design professional and click-worthy thumbnails that reflect your video's theme. Use bold fonts, vibrant colors, and engaging visuals. Tools like Canva and Adobe Photoshop simplify the process, even for beginners. 4. Build and promote playlists. Encourage binge watching. Playlists are an excellent way to increase watch hours by encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos in one session. For instance, a travel channel could create playlists like Top Destinations in Europe or Budget Travel Tips. These playlists guide your audience to watch videos sequentially, keeping them on your channel longer. Optimize playlist SEO playlists, like individual videos, can rank in search results. Optimize their titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. For example, instead of cooking tips, go for quick and easy, cooking tips for beginners. Adding keywords helps your playlists reach more viewers. Feature playlists everywhere. Promote playlists in video descriptions, cards, and end screens. For example, after a fitness video, suggest viewers check out your Complete Beginner Fitness Program playlist. This keeps viewers engaged and increases watch hours. Regularly update playlists. Keep your playlists updated with new videos. For instance, if you've added a new tech review, include it in your Best Gadgets of 2025 playlist. Updated playlists encourage repeat visits from your audience. 5. Leverage social media for traffic share. Across platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are great for driving traffic. Share short clips, teaser trailers, or highlights to grab attention and direct viewers to your YouTube channel. Join niche communities. Participate in niche communities on Reddit or Facebook groups. For example, if you create DIY videos, join crafting groups and share your content in a non-spammy way. Adding value to discussions builds trust and attracts viewers to your channel. Cross-promote with creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can introduce you to new audiences. For example, a gaming channel could team up with a tech channel to discuss the best gaming gear. Run contests and giveaways. Host a contest that requires participants to watch your videos or playlists. For example, ask viewers to comment on their favorite moment in your playlist to enter a giveaway. This strategy can significantly boost engagement and watch hours. 6. Analyze performance and adapt. Use YouTube Analytics review metrics like audience retention and watch time using YouTube Analytics. For example, if viewers drop off early, shorten your intros or improve your video structure. Adjusting based on data helps improve performance. Experiment with formats test. Different video styles like tutorials or vlogs to find what resonates best. If your audience loves tutorials, focus on creating more how-to content. Learn from competitors. Study successful channels in your niche to see what works. For instance, analyze their video titles, thumbnails, and engagement strategies. Then adapt their techniques to fit your style. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular upload schedule. Consistency not only builds trust with your audience, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost visibility. Conclusion: reaching 4,000 watch hours in 1 month is challenging, but it's achievable with the right approach. By focusing on long-form content, leveraging live streams, optimizing your videos for SEO, and promoting strategically, you can fast-track your journey to monetization. Remember to stay consistent, track your progress, and adapt your strategies as needed. With determination and the techniques shared here, you'll not only hit your watch hour goal, but also lay the foundation for long-term YouTube success. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.